Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to the introduction to February 2026, another year of the make-along. So, what are we working on this month, you guys? So we are diving in with the good yarn this month. This month is about treating ourselves. So we went through the holidays. We made for everybody else. We did for everybody else. We planned for everybody else. Last month, January, we spent our time cleaning up our spaces, finishing up anything that's been holding us back from new cast-ons. And now it's time to indulge. Now it's time for us to get to enjoy the yarns that we have chosen for ourselves, what makes us feel special. So what classifies as the good yarn? It's whatever is the good yarn to you. I personally will be focusing on some hand-dyed or indie-dyed stuff in my stash. This is from Beach Bunny Yarns. This is their Sunny Sock Base, and this is the color Pretty Posy. I bought 3 hanks of this at the Southern Comfort Fiber Market last year for a particular top pattern. And then I will also be working on two to three hypnotic yarns that I have. These are from my Yarnables. That's what I'm going to be focusing on. But if the good yarn to you is a big box yarn that you really love, then that's what the good yarn is to you. If the good yarn to you is your favorite color, then that's what the good yarn is to you. So this is 100% dealer's choice. Whatever makes you feel special and excited to work on your project, that is what the good yarn is. This is about indulgence. We'll use this month to just indulge. So I hope you guys will play along with me. Don't forget, we do also have our Q1 focus, which is using our bulky yarn. So I do have one project I'm working on with that right now. Hopefully I will have some time to do some hats and scarves and cowls before the end of the quarter, but quarter one is the bulky. We will have a whole nother video for a mid-quarter check-in in a couple of weeks here for that. Don't forget, if you want to enter the make-along, you can enter on Facebook, on Ravelry. Both groups are listed in the description box down below. You can also send me an email in the description box down below, or you can send me a DM on Instagram. Those are the easiest ways to get your pictures to me. I am assuming if you're submitting a picture, you don't mind me sharing your picture in the mid-month check-in or the end of the month finale video. So I am very, very excited to see what you guys make, to see what colors you pull, what yarns you decide to work with. This always excites me. I get so excited at the beginning of every month with these just to see what you guys are going to work on. So anyway, I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, you guys.